Hey guys, it's Brandon, and I'm back at it again with another product review, and that is the Lucky Frank's hair and beard grooming oil. Now, what makes this stuff unique is that this is supposed to be an oil that you can use, of course, in your hair and your beard. And the idea behind it was to have a multi-purpose oil that you didn't have to use a lot of. Which I'm a fan of the hair and beard grooming oil. Some stuff doesn't say it. Some stuff is made for your hair and for your beard. Because beard hair is definitely different than the hair on your head. But I like applying tonic to my hair and then putting it into my beard as well. Now, what you can use this stuff for, other than beard oil, is you can put it on before you put a pomade on. You can put it in your hair, and it'll make a pomade a little bit easier to apply, like a heavier one. You could use Lucky Frank's Heavy, for instance, although it's easy to apply. You could put some of this in your hair, and it makes it a little bit slicker and more manageable. Also, you can put it in your dry hair, and it's kind of like a leave-in conditioner. If I was to use this, I would usually put it in my hair and let it sit there overnight, and then wake up and just wash my hair and wash it out and have a kind of like a healthier feel for it. So let's get right into it. I like the logo on this. I like just like the bottle. It's really simple, and Lucky Frank stuff is really simple in that regard. It's just got the plain Lucky Frank's logo on there, which is really sharp, and then it has what it's for on the side, which I'll say: handmade, natural, and organic hair and beard grooming oil. The classic formula adds shine, control, and supports strong, healthy hair growth. Work a small dab of oil into your hair or beard for extra shine and very light and minimal hold. The ingredients on this are organic castor oil, organic argan oil, organic black cumin oil, organic sweet almond oil, and organic jojoba oil. So if you're into organic stuff, this is good for you. The jojoba oil, castor oil, and sweet almond oil are going to be really good for your hair health as well. The scent on this, it's kind of like to me, it smells kind of like a pepper, like a slightly peppery type spicy mix. I like it. It's not bad. Here's another thing about this. It has a pour spout, so you don't have to put a lot in there. I'm going to put a few drops in there. It's going to be hard to see, but I have maybe about, I don't know. You can't see, I'm sorry. But I'll put it in my hands. Of course, goes away easy. Now, there's not much. You don't need a lot. Now, this stuff, like I said, is going to leave, or like it says, is going to leave a healthy shine. You do not need a lot of this stuff. This is one of those grooming products that tends to run on the greasier side. Now, it's not super sopping greasy, but I will say that, in your hair, it's going to leave a shine, so you don't need a lot. So if you're going to put it in your beard and your hair, like I said, you're going to want to put a little bit. That's not a bad thing. After taking it off my hands, I just wiping it once on my pants. My hands don't feel greasy. You can even work it into your hands for some moisture as well. Surprisingly, for being a greasier feeling oil, this stuff feels like it evaporates really quickly. So you don't need a lot, and when you're putting it in, it'll go into the hair kind of greasy, but it'll dry up and leave your hair feeling nice and soft real quick. And you can rub your hands through your hair. It's not going to feel super greasy throughout the day. Really nice. The scent is subtle, so it's not going to be blowing your nostrils out having it in. And it smells really nice, like I was saying. Very simple, very short, and very sweet review on this. I don't have much to say. I think as a product, like I said, it doesn't have a lot of stuff in it that's going to break buildup down, but you can definitely put it in your hair before you use a pomade, or you can put it in your dry hair for hair health. As well as the beard, it feels really nice, and it's going to feel leaving your beard feeling healthy when you wash it out. Now, as a beard product, I think this is really good. I like it, and like I said, it goes in greasy and dries up real quick. As a hair product, I like it pretty good as well. I like it better as a beard product just because I've noticed that when I wash it out of my beard feels really soft. When I wash it out of my hair does feel really soft, but not as soft as my beard. So I feel like this works a little bit better in the beard, but it's still a multi-purpose grooming tool. So it's really good in that regards. If I had to rate this, I would give this a 4.4 out of 5. This is a great product. For the price and how big of an amount that you get, this stuff will last you forever. It's nice and subtle. It's really, really good. And I don't have too much more to say about it. It's just a nice, easy to use, workable product that works on many different levels. So if I didn't answer all your questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. And if you guys have tried this, let me know what you think. Have a good one.